the 5th day in the first month of January 2026. Of course, there be a ya na ma obia the matter or a word that your friend and society that is change. Now, your free 2025 mo. My name say there was a lot of resolution edema be bra ya wadwen say oh you drew 2026 I know dey obey. But make sure what the ensisaye idea edin. But enipa bia no uhia ensisaye. So there's one great man, your friend Toslu. Now, or a great scientist. He believes or can simbi adope bene chene say. Enipa bia idea edin ensisaye. Now so o embrace ensisaye eno ana esisa wa brabo edudru baby foforo. And aya juadei and Sasaya Bay near Dura Afe 2026 mo. I believe sir 31st December and now 1st January. Oh yeah, a lot of things I'll catch on say oh yeah baby drew a 2026 ma. Sa die way bienu miensa obey but me catch you say one share ya ebe mere rhetoric. Say one ma and Sasaya no antimi and take it over from the word goer. And this morning me entreat obia say yama ensesanya no enka ye ho na 2026 ye betimi edi enkonim na a lot of issues na anopai ye bedi ho komo ya be yatena si 2025 in economy no ye economy no saying na enema esiko ye nim say Dr. Ato Forsen oye finance minister aka say ohwe oman yi mu a 2025 na eya afia eye turning point for all of us. But Mibusao said, if the 2025 was a turning point for us, what of 2026? Oh my Ghana, ye jina bre ebe saying, ye je ahwading every 2025 num edi ababi ra 2026 num. Economic indicators no ediana eche GDP from 2025 ye ra 2026 num edeng ana eche inflation aba single digit ediana ekache sometimes our perspective ana ya jin ye wofa inflation ho different. Ya better see a few way ya be more hunyama even the single digit no soon so saying mostly ya odu montia ya say inflation about single digit about single number na say ye hunu so ye botomu a na inflation and say the concept of economy and I say economics perspective about inflation saying ana adwo yatena se ye bedi nkomo. But don't forget, sir, gold board. They say, I'm for bebre say it's the special vehicle. I'm on my Ghana, get me a tumpong every one state to another. I be great, say. So, all share economy, get me a stabilizer, no. You share the FX. Yen currency, the city against the major trading currency now. It is because of a gold board. And when Dimbia, Omanya, dia Babeshe economy, no. And nona abwa, ama say. Ghana ye influx no any all the indicators no bibia 80 of course ye hu the fuel price during the Christmas season na again a mass factor nyina buy. I am here to serve you the hottest and the biggest breakfast in town. Ya from na Kwame Nkwantabisa obetima Kwame Nkwantabisa anopay nyame show na onyo kesesa still on Sompa TV Sompa FM 01 media di nyina edi ehyiamu se ye besomo ofise ye believe say Sompa ehohoi ema akatuapa. There is this video echo viral now it is based on say social abuse 2025 dia domestic violence echo so ye enti ubehu na akwada bia ye bono ye putu the person into hardship. And as 2025, there was a video baku bia. Ya share ya akwada ya de pepe moko afane hon na ya bono all in the name of discipline. But mibusami won say sanet ye yen culture et saying a den nemrano ekafa ya discipline hon. Na yen video way na yembra. There is an abuse in this video ya koba after sports no ye bedi hon komo pa yi. Yenhwe video ne kakramra. All right. That is the video echo viral. I feel we yes so share data aba na o share domestic violence akoso ewo oman mu come here say yenti ase about say ye discipline abofra yenyanyanie na child right eka efa niam bi say hu I feel one of the things ye be educate ye ho domestic violence. I first said last year, you know, one video, there was a gentleman, a lady abusing, all in the name of say relationship. And maybe my money was abusing a mapa, but the dynamics are changing. And you feel you be rum kakra, but the actual gold board. There are other full school of thoughts popping up say. Gold board aboka 214 billion dollars. Now asma yebu say won say gold board per emra edi gold board buy no. What does gold board stakes? Gold board company is it a profiteering institution and our organization that was set up? Mama Remfi say kanino ye institute young gold say bra Ghana ye beton gold akwa amanone na ye PMC wo hodoma they deal with our minerals, but in the wisdom of this current government abine buy no so there be say akase ye fa the methods a institution PMC for you so ye kanina PMC for you so it will not help us until yamfa another vehicle be perform it. And one, don't forget say gold board as an institution or an organization, gold board is a regulator. And the gold board omo mandate ankasa aye saying per the constitution a give you birth through a gold board no. Gold board to me aye saying and here for the gold board anhodin kosi. Omo mandate no omo cha. Of course, you said the central bank which is BOG. BOG and a share say a juma mo person of the gold board yen say gold board was be set up better gold that will be G for R, which is gold for reserves. Abanye twem no Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, as at that time he was head of the economy, and per what they betted no a gold for oil. In gold for oil, we saw the report from the central bank, which is Bank of Ghana. Now, you will say, according to a bank, say you continue say you gold for oil. Yenya emphasis pebia wom, because at the end of the day, no, obia or baby rem, any partner baby third party, and there's a lot of things surrounding gold for oil. You will not get the benefit was as of mine. So, Akobasa, you will not get a stronger economy, because one of the factors maybe a high nititu a fuel. So fuel ecosra affecting any other economy, any other branch of the economy. And to say instead of say your best say yesika bebre, na ye dia kwa to oil no, because the more demand that you be put on dollar no or the FX, the major trading currency no. It has a ripple effect in our economy. And as a good economist will tell you, say, if you want to build a nation, no person will build you cry. One of the things that also share the fluctuations in your ethics. And the wisdom of the economic management team decided, say, instead say a better more dollars, oil. No. One of the things that we can do, and your bit boy about say, Yamfa oil a nyankopon de akyeye no. Yamfa yen gold a nyankopon e de akyeye no. Yamfa nko enkoto oil. So what it means is that you will not take a liquid and I mean as a physical cash to the layman's perspective no. Onfa physical cash so de kwakoto oil. But what you do is say you exchange gold for oil. Yenya a lot of deformities, a lot of challenges on gold for oil. Now, the current government say it will not be gold for oil, but gold for reserves. And Yang say to have the shocks of our economy, wa ho den a odi bu man no aye say you have a strong reserves obia ba omema ba be investment obia hwe say even if you be a credit worthy country one of the things are yehwe ne say or reserves at the same. So the central bank under the tutelage of the government and the governor decided say yam build a strong reserves. So the vehicle that is a bit more buoyant, build a strong reserves, no, a gold board. But the challenges are ever gold board, no. O just opposed to. Now, share what gold board is doing. Any economy, no, said you're not holding edruna. How are you saying that as a Ghanaian? Gold board, no. I will say about the buoyant, and I say I will say about the tia holding so. And we will have a comprehensive analysis and talk. You better home come na you gold board na holding you gold board. The wisdom a buy way by or they say you creating as a special vehicle. The mandate of cocoa you can say gold board no. Any gold board say gold board ne cocoa board esa na omu adwuma saying a lot of school of thought about say gold board kura institution the same institution no a regulator ba buyer there should be a special another special vehicle within gold border no purchase no gold board say they have 4 aggregates and these aggregates no omo at the top gold gold board now so 4 way we have stages of these aggregates. You have tier 1, we have tier 2, then you have tier 3. And the tier 3 don't saying this is a self-finance aggregate. And what the tier 3 does, and they say, on one kasa ekwa pesca but unlike the main aggregate, which is financed by a Ghana Abayino. Ghana Abayino betimi continue ana. And I pay you come Yarea Ajekum Blankson, Orlando, Papa, Watanase, and I pay na Orlando Atanase dear in the world of sports, you know, and I pay Yebedin come. My and I, Homra, now Orlando take you over. Yabasi.